with the presence of Rita Levi-Montalcini, Nobel laureate for nerve growth factor. The symposium follows the summer school for the biological treatment of chronic spinal cord injury organized in October 2008 by the Center for Biomedical Engineering.
48-year-old man, 10 years after a car accident with a complete spinal cord lesion T8. And the surgical team consisted of Dr. Benichou, Professor Bonelli and myself.
Areas as a consequence of secondary damage.
Mesenchymal stem cells were ruled out mainly due to their heterogeneity and the fact that they have been shown to cause some kind of...
Okay, thank you very much. I would like first to thank Professor Bonelli to invite us.
Welcome you to Regeration on behalf of the Research Council of our university, and obviously on behalf of all of our research. Our hospital is one of the oldest hospitals that we have in our country.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Thanks to all of you, and welcome to the 7th International Symposium on Experimental Spinal Cord Repair and Regeneration. Thanks to our guests, the scientific value of this opening ceremony that will certainly be special. Especially because we have the honor of the presence of Professor Rita Levi-Montalcini, partners of this symposium.
Un benvenuto a tutti i convenuti da parte mia, da parte della facoltà e in particolare da parte del magnifico rettore che oggi è a Roma ha occupato nella conferenza permanente dei rettori. Mi sia consentito di ringraziare la Fondazione Brunelli che per la 7ª volta si convoca a questi impegnativi convegni, ma con una particolare gratitudine vorrei ringraziare la professoressa Levi-Montalcini.
I giovani ricercatori devono sapere che non basta essere bravi a livello tecnologico, ma ci vuole inventiva, innovazione, cioè le ricerche, gli aiuti delle biotecnologie è enorme, ma non basta. Ci vuole capacità, curiosità, impegno al massimo, quello che io credo di avere.
Intervento su vecchie strutture per rendere più idonee l'attività sportiva, ma la città di Brescia sta anche progettando una nuova cittadella dello sport.
Noi più che raccontare quel che accade e mettere in guardia da quel che potrebbe accadere, non possiamo farlo.
I'd like just to start with the question if we really need face transplantation. And as on this picture, the age, the wars, and the time have contributed to the fact that the warriors we need a face to face the war.
Grazie Giorgio, grazie a tutti.
Of course, I would like to acknowledge the organizers and Professor Brunelli who gives me the opportunity to be here once more in Brescia.
Early on, there are a lot of straight axons that are in the dorsal horn.
And the result was that one lady, 4 years later, was able to walk for several minutes and to stand for an equal period with the help of tetrapod sticks. So we started from these evidence, experimental evidence.
Good evening. You certainly remember a famous song in a famous movie that was Casablanca. As time goes by, short time is gone, no closing remarks. It's like Martini, no Martini, no party.